Let me give you a quick tour of the course. First of all, you're at the home page here. This will change throughout the year, but right now there's basic information about the different parts of the course, so you'll want to read through what these things are. It'll give you a good idea of what you're looking at. This here is just a chart of kind of the flow of work. You'll go from watching videos to doing practice questions to doing kind of the assignment and then coming to Google Meet for some help. On the left, or what we call the navigation area, you'll see a link that goes directly to Miss Taylor's Google Meet and one that goes directly to mine. We have a couple of other items here. You'll learn more about Socrative and GeoGebra, but basically you'll want to go to the modules. So the modules are where all of the information is, and you can see that they're organized 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and so on, and they go all the way up to this quiz, and then more things will be revealed over the year. Let's just take a look inside one of these modules. You'll get an idea of what's here. First of all, this is a video. It's in Edpuzzle, which means that you'll watch it, and it'll record that you did watch it, and you'll get points for that. It'll actually even ask you questions along the way to make sure you're watching and learning and understanding the material. So this is one of the assignments, is to learn the material through the video. Here you'll be able to access the lesson notes that you could follow along if you wanted to, and even fill in things as I did them on the video. So you can use that as a helper if you want to. You do not have to. What else is here is some additional notes that if you wanted more help, you could say, oh, I didn't really understand that. I would like to look at some more notes, and you could find some more notes here and more examples to try. And you could print these out if you wanted to. You do not have to. These are support items. Then there are additional videos. You do not have to watch these, but if you got confused and you didn't understand the material, here is another shot at those same ideas. So nicely done. A discussion area. This is where you could ask for help. So let's say you just finished some problems or you're working on something. You could say, you know, I don't understand. And you could mention which problem you're on, and you could upload an image, and you could do a bunch of things, and you could then ask for help. Who will answer your help? I will, Miss Taylor will, the tutors in the class will, and your peers might even help you out. So that's the cool thing. So that gets us all the way down to here. Now the cool guy is this pre-assessment guy here. Now the way the pre-assessments work, I mean, let me just actually look at one here for a second, another one, is they say, here's the pre-assessment that says, all right, you're going to do some practice problems, 10 of them. And if you do well enough on those, the post-assessment becomes unlocked. So let's say we were doing this guy and we say, take the quiz. It will generate randomly 10 questions for us to try. And I might say, okay, I know this one. This is isometric, and this is a translation. And then I hit submit and so on. Let me just do a quick pause and I'll finish this quiz and then I'll see what happens with it. So I just hit submit the quiz and it tells me I got 10 out of 10. Well, that was expected. Now, the cool thing about when you take a quiz is that it'll show you what you did and your answers. And if you get red ones and you got some wrong, you get to see the answers because I want you to learn from your mistakes and find out, oh, that's what that meant, or oh, I still don't understand it, so that you can ask questions and do more practice. So in a pre-assessment situation, all of those are revealed to you, and you can do them over and over and over again. We highly encourage you to practice many times. Now that we've taken the pre-assessment and we did well enough on that, watch what actually happens. Whoa, look who appeared for us. The post-assessment has now appeared. And now I can go do it and get my grade. So pre-assessment, think of it as practice and help and learning. And you can do that many times. If you get 70% or higher, it does unlock the post-assessment for you to do it. And here's how it works. You can do it twice, and it's the higher of the two scores. If you don't do so well, you might want to go back to a pre-assessment and get some help, or watch the video, or ask some help questions. So that's what every part of each of the modules basically looks like. Some other things that will go on here. The videos that are here are Edpuzzle videos, and if you wanted to go back and watch it, you may not want to watch it as an assignment. So we're going to later reveal down here the actual links to those videos. So if you said, oh, you know what, I want to watch that again, you could go back here and you could click on it and you could watch this video. And
notation is
in doing so, you could even say, let me teach you something. When you watch a YouTube video, if you go to settings, normal, you can speed it up and you could listen to me or
you see
anybody else at a higher speed, and that's a good way to watch a video, just so you know. But those will be revealed to you after the time that they've been watched, because you don't get any grades for watching these. These are just for you to get some extra help and practice. I think that gets you around the course quite a bit, and you got a good idea of what's coming. Good luck with it all right?